Nifty bears take control amidst Fed rate expectations and Accenture's weak guidance. In yesterday's trade, Nifty received fresh drubbing and, most importantly, ended on an ugly note. And that brings us to the big question: will Nifty bulls regroup in today's trade and build upon last week's optimism? Honestly speaking, Nifty fell hard in yesterday's trade on backdrop of two big headwinds. 1. Expectations of the Federal Reserve prolonging higher rates. 2. Accenture's weak guidance. So, commanding attention to investors will be the Core Personal Consumption Expenditure (PCE) index, which will trickle in on Friday, 29th March. Also, the street will gear up the earnings season as TCS officially sets afire the ceremonial starter's pistol for Q4 earnings season on 12th April. But for the day, there is a bright chance for Nifty bulls to regroup on backdrop of 1. FIIs turning out to be net buys in yesterday's negative session. 2. Global stocks are on the march. Bottom line, modest corrective declines do not guarantee bears' day out. We suspect Nifty bulls may regroup at lower levels. Long story short, we suspect volatility is likely to ramp up ahead of March FANO expiry and financial year March ending. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs net bought to the tune of Rs 10 crores. DIIs too bought shares to the tune of Rs 24 crores. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Sentiment is likely to be risky. Nifty's technicals are suggesting rebound play. FANO data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,500 to 23,000 zone. India VIX is hovering at 12.82 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th March, is at 1.05. Nifty outlook, rebound play quite likely. Nifty, CMP to 2005. Support, 21,900 to 21,800. Resistance, 22,100 to 22,200. Range, 21,800 to 22,200. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 46600. Support, 46,300 to 46,100. Resistance, 46,900 to 47,100. Range, 46,100 to 47,100. Bias, sideways to bullish. Amongst stock-specific action, Interglobe Aviation stock price is in limelight as it hit an all-time high at 35.08 on the airline's long-term growth prospects for the air travel industry in India. Adani Ports has announced the acquisition of a 95% stake in Gopalpur Ports in Odisha from Shapoorji Pallonji Group and Ulisa Stevedores Ltd at an equity value of 1,349 crore rupees. Oil prices have risen towards $82 a barrel following a terrorist attack in Russia and continued drone attacks by Ukraine on Russian oil refineries. Steel futures has declined sharply to the 3,500 renminbi mark, approaching the near 4-year low of 3,429 renminbi touched on 15th March amid renewed evidence of low demand in top consumer China. Our stock markets will be closed on Friday, 29th March in observance of Good Friday.